Hey guys, it's me. Just doing a video for you guys here today. As you can see in the thumbnail, I have Kit Kat today. So these are two, uh, well, no, these are, I guess, UK based Kit Kats from the UK, because that's where I bought it. I bought it at a store that popped up over here called Ryan's Candy, and it has all sorts of UK stuff. It has Canadian stuff as well, but mostly UK and some Canadian. So mostly chocolates, because chocolate is very good in the UK. So I've heard, and I agree. So yeah, so here is the first one. It's peanut butter chunky Kit Kat bar. Must have broken. So it's looks like a regular Kit Kat, but yeah, I like it. I prefer Reese's, but it's good. It's good. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. I will not be eating all this chocolate in one sitting, that's for sure. Oh, it's a white Kit Kat. And it's Biscoff, as you saw in the packaging. That's good. That's good. I mean, I don't know if I would buy any of those again, but I mean, between the two, I prefer the Biscoff one, but they're just meh. And anyways, so that's about it. And I will catch you all guys in the next video. Thanks for coming to watch it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. And be sure to tell me in the comments your favorite chocolate bar from UK, Mexico, China, wherever it may be. Anyways, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll catch you all in a bit. Bye.